Welcome back friends. In this video you will learn how to use the unique function in Google Sheets. Here I have the list of the product names and the names are repeating multiple times here. In this case, if I want to generate the unique list of products, then I can use the unique function. Here in this cell, press equal to, then type unique, open parenthesis. If you want to see the details of the function, you can click on this button. Here you see the description about this function is given. Returns unique row in the provided source range, discarding duplicates. Row are returned in order in which they first appear in the source range. It means that the unique function discards the duplicates and keeps the unique record only. And here you see the description of every single parameter is given. Range means the data to filter by unique entries. This by column parameter is optional. If you have multiple columns and you need to find out the unique column only, then you have to use the true option in the by column parameter. If you want to find out unique row only, then you have to use the false option in the by column parameter. This exactly once parameter is also optional. If you want to display the products that appears only one time here in the range, then you have to use the true option in the exactly once. Let me collapse the detail from here. Then in the range, let's select this product name range. Then close parenthesis, press enter. Here you got the unique list of the items. If you want to display the product name that appears only one time, then here you have to modify the formula. Click on this cell, then here in the formula bar, click here, then give a comma. Now to skip this by column parameter, give another comma, and here in the exactly once, let's provide here true, then press enter, and here you got the items that appears only one time in the source. Let's see another example of using the by column parameter. Here I have some data in the column. I need to find out the unique columns here. In this case, I can use the unique function. Press equal to, type unique, open parenthesis. In the range, select this data range, comma. In the by column, let's put here true option. This exactly once is optional in this case, so close the parenthesis and press enter. Here you got the unique columns. There are two columns. These are unique. If you want to find out the unique rows, then you can edit the formula. Click on this cell, then here instead of true, put here false, then press enter, and here you got the unique row. All the 4 rows are unique, so the result is also 4 rows. So this is how we can use the unique function in Google Sheets. And this was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.